My name is Trina Gray, and I'm a Diamond Level Beachbody coach in Alpena, Michigan. And I'm really excited to have the opportunity to tell you why Beachbody coaching is a great opportunity and what it's done in my life. I'm a mother of 2 little kids. I'm married to a great guy who I love to spend time with. I've got friends I love to hang out with, and I run my own business. And in spite of all those things in my life, Beachbody coaching has been a great fit. Let me tell you why. First of all, Beachbody coaching has allowed me to make an impact in other people's lives. And that's truly just very rewarding. I believe to my core that people who are healthier are happier. People who move more and eat better are better spouses, they're better parents, they're better coworkers, they're better friends. And that's just a mission that I want to be a part of. Beachbody coaching allows me that opportunity. I can help people eat better with great nutritional products like Shakeology. I can help people move more with great fitness programs like P90X, Insanity, and Turbo Fire. And these are not gimmicks. These are real. These are real trainers with amazing programs. This is a real nutritional product that's made an amazing difference in my life, and so I don't mind telling other people about it. In fact, it's fun. I don't look at Beachbody coaching as pushing product or being a salesperson. In fact, I don't like either of those things. I look at Beachbody coaching as a way of sharing fitness with as many people as I want to. And I determine the hours I work, and I determine when I get a pay raise, depending on how much work I can put into it. So how much work is it to be a Beachbody coach? In the end, you decide. It's your business. Successful coaches put in a little bit of time on a regular basis. Successful coaches make Beachbody coaching a part of everyday living. So whether you're telling somebody about Shakeology when you're out to lunch, or you're on your computer at midnight connecting with people on social media, or you happen to be talking to a friend who recently had a baby and is looking to lose some baby weight. Shakeology, fitness programs, they fit into everyday life, and it's easy to share it with other people because they really work. They work for me, they'll work for you, and they work for other people. The other reason why I love Beachbody coaching is that it's allowed me to build a team and help other people in my life open their own business. And that's very rewarding. My friend Amy just lost 14.2 pounds using Shakeology every day and doing Turbo on a regular basis for 30 days. Overall, she's gone down 4 sizes, and the best part about it is that she feels amazing and her marriage is better. People around her have noticed, and now because they've noticed, she can make extra money for herself. She can legitimately tell people at work that these are the products that help me feel the way I look right now. And they can go to her website and simply buy them. And if they're inspired to do the same, maybe they'll join her team. And that's how it works. Use the products, be your own success story, help create success stories in your life, and your business will grow. Here's how mine's grown. I used to make about $100 a week just selling products, telling people about the programs, just sharing it in everyday life. When I decided that I could work my business smarter, but not harder, by growing a team and empowering other people to do the same, my paycheck has shown. It's gone from $100 a week to $1,000 a week. And that's a huge impact on my family. That's the ability to travel. That's the ability to add on to my house. That's the ability to do the things in life I want to do, all because I believe in healthy living. It's a great mission to be a part of. I'm so glad I'm in it. I hope you consider it too.